Snix is meowing. Snix! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I wanted to sit down and just have a good old chat with you guys because I feel like I've never done this. Out of the 7 years I've been doing YouTube, I feel like I've never really opened up to you guys and like told you how I'm feeling about my channel and stuff. This is going to be centered around like my content and my Instagram and just kind of where I'm at right now and moving forward, where I want to be and where I want to bring you guys. So I hope you guys are okay with this video. I don't post these kind of things and I feel kind of weird doing it, so bear with me if this video is all over the place, but I feel like it's kind of a necessary thing, and what better time before the new year to post something like this. If this is the first video you're seeing from me, probably not the best one. Like, maybe go check out some of my other stuff. I did a ton of videos this past month, so you can go watch those if you're interested. But if you have been here a while, thank you so much for subscribing and supporting my channel. Like, honestly, it means the absolute world to me. I've been doing this, like I said, for 7 years, and you guys have really seen me like grow up. I started my channel when I was in high school. I went through college for 2 years on here, and then I also moved out for the first time going to college, and then I lived on my own and pursued YouTube as a full-time job right out of high school, or right out of college, sorry, not out of high school. And I've been doing that for it's been like 4 or 5 years since I graduated college, and so you guys have really seen me like grow up and transition, and even just like this past year I feel like I've grown so much. I mean, I lost 20 pounds, which I feel like I haven't really talked about a whole lot, but I just feel like I'm in such a different state and I want to reflect that in my channel. So I have, knowing me, I have a whole like list of things I wanted to chat about and just like where I want my channel to go in the new year, if that makes sense. There's basically a switch in my channel. If you go back and look at my thumbnails, you'll see it. I basically completely changed my content style about a year ago. So 2018, at the very beginning, I was like, I'm going to stop doing videos that I don't like doing. And yes, unfortunately, those are the videos that did very well and really pushed my channel, which was incredible, but I wasn't happy and I was so bored. And it's so funny because I listened to Remy and Alicia's podcast, and Remy said if she has to make another like DIY again, she's gonna gouge her eyes out, which is a little aggressive in my opinion, because like I love DIYs, but it's not who I am and I don't want to make them anymore, you know? And so for those people that have subscribed to my channel for that, I'm apologizing, because that's just not the kind of content I'm interested in. And with the growth that I have done this past year, I've really focused on content that I enjoy, which has been so fantastic. I've really loved all the stuff that I've put out. I've done such a mix of content, and with having a channel that's not a niche channel, it is so difficult to know what to post. I love so many different things, and I feel like that's reflective on my channel, but it doesn't always do the best for like growth and numbers and views, which really doesn't matter to me at this point anyway, because I'd rather obviously do content that I enjoy doing. But I am interested in so many things like fashion, and I love makeup, but my beauty videos don't do very well, and like I still like to post them because I like them, you know, and there are a few of you that do like them. But then there's like the organization side of things. I love to plan with me's, but then bullet journal got into the like scene, and I cannot draw for the life of me. So I just like stopped doing those videos because I thought that like people wouldn't be interested unless it was a bullet journal, you know. And YouTube is one of those things that it's a shot in the dark every single time. You just go in and you're like, I have no idea what I'm doing. None of us know what we're doing. But yeah, does that even make sense? So what I was saying was, basically this time last year, I completely switched my content to stuff that I enjoy, and I've been so happy. Like this past month, posting that many videos, but also videos that I was so excited to film, has been so great. And I am just like so curious now, because I want to start incorporating what you guys want to see from me. So if there is a type of video or, you know, a style of video that you really, really enjoy, please let me know. Like, give me a comment on that video, send me a tweet, like message me on Instagram. Like, please let me know if you do enjoy something, because that helps me out more than you know. And I feel like maybe as my audience gets older, you guys aren't necessarily commenting on things, because I am such a big YouTube watcher, but I barely ever comment on people's videos, so you never really know who your audience is. When you guys are watching this, I am actually going to post something on my Instagram stories. It's basically going to be a series of questions, either a poll question or like one where you fill in the like little question box, and I'm basically just going to be asking for your guys' feedback on a bunch of of different things. So if you have a minute and you do enjoy my content, whether it be on here or on Instagram or both, I would really appreciate you guys going over and just answering those few questions, because it's going to really help me out, and there's some good ones over there and it's a great place to get feedback. But also, if you don't have Instagram, feel free to leave me a comment down below. Please do so and let me know. I'm gonna like talk about some of those questions right now, and then you guys can like give me your feedback on them down below, or send me a DM. Like if you want to reach out, I'm really not the best at replying to DMs, but I do get back to you guys if you have questions or anything like that. And if you did take the time to kind of answer the things I'm gonna ask, then I would definitely reply to you. So please do that if you have the time and you, like I said, enjoy my content. I'm just kind of curious like what videos you guys want to see from me, if you like sit down videos like this, or if you like more curated, like slow-mo, stabilized videos, essentially, like my morning routine I did this past month. That video was so fun to film, and we've gotten some new equipment and stuff, and so it's been really fun playing with that. But also, like, is that what you guys like? And me personally, I love watching vlogs. So do you guys enjoy seeing my everyday life? Do you want to get to know me more? Or do you come just for like organization, cleaning content? Like, do you just want like how-tos, whatever? Let me know about that too. As for beauty videos, because I still love making beauty videos, what format do you guys like? Do you like tutorials where I actually show you and talk you through what I'm doing? I'm not a makeup artist, but like I could try my best. Or do you like get ready with me? It's more real time or chit chat videos. Like, let me know kind of what your vibe is down below. Even if it's not what I've done previously, but you see other YouTubers do it and that's what you enjoy, please let me know. Because I'm very curious, and I want this year to really focus on my content for you guys. And obviously there is a fine line of like me enjoying it and you guys enjoying it, and I'm sure I can make that happen. I can find a solution, because I do enjoy a lot of the content. I love getting like positive feedback, obviously. So please let me know what type of videos you guys like, but also what subjects or topics do you guys like? Do you like my bake with me's? I kind of, if you guys have been watching for a while, you would know that I kind of transitioned my tasty testing series that I did like 2 years ago into bake with me's, because I've really been enjoying baking. But would you guys also like to see cooking and stuff? I know that what I eat in a day can be a little controversial, and I'm probably going to be starting keto again in the new year. Just putting it out there. So if you guys want to see more keto friendly videos, let me know, because I gained a little bit of that weight back, and that's okay because it's the holidays and I literally don't care. But I do need to get back into a better habit, as everyone does after the holidays. So I definitely can do more like cooking videos, and like I said, it's just so hard in the lifestyle genre really coming up with content, because I don't want to be a niche channel, because I'm interested in so many things, you know? Essentially, I'm just really interested in knowing what you guys like from my content, like what do you almost expect to see from my channel, what do you come to my channel for, and that kind of thing. But also, if there's anything I could improve on, please let me know. If it's like constructive criticism, please let me know. I definitely want to hear from you guys. If there's something I'm maybe not doing that I should do, or maybe something you want to see less of or more of, that's basically this is one of those like year-end reviews that you have with your boss, but you guys are kind of not my boss, but you're like in on it, you're part of this family, and I want to know how I can improve, so I can make better content for you guys and so you enjoy it. And with being in the lifestyle genre, I feel like I have the option to change and evolve and just like spread kind of over a lot of topics. And I made that transition about a year ago because I came to the realization that I did not want to be doing DIYs and that type of video when I like want to be able to talk about when I get married and have kids and stuff. And like that is kind of like not my thought process. We're not there yet, but eventually when that time comes, I do want to be able to make videos about that and have you guys be excited and just kind of take you along for the journey with me as I have for all of these years. So that is kind of a long ass ramble about all of those things, but hopefully you guys understand and you kind of got my point. Nothing's wrong. Like, I feel like everyone made these videos and it's like, I don't know what to do with YouTube. And it's like, no, I know what to do with YouTube. It's just I want to improve and I want your guys' opinions and help with it because you guys are the reason I'm here and I'm doing this. So it involves you heavily. So yeah, if you guys do have the time to go over to my Instagram and answer all those polls or leave me a comment here, I would really appreciate it, especially if you guys are one of those viewers that doesn't always comment on people's videos, which I totally understand, but I would really appreciate you guys doing that for me. I love you all so much. I wouldn't be here without you guys, and I've had such amazing opportunities this past year. I'm like in such a reflection mode, but I'm so fortunate to be in the position that I am, and I really can't thank you guys enough for these opportunities and for supporting me and loving my content, you know, as it is. And I can't thank you guys enough. I love you and you mean so much to me. And yeah, go over to my Instagram, check that out, fill out the polls, let me know down below. And the next video you guys will be seeing from me is going to be a New Year's themed party, get ready with me type of video. It should be super fun and I'm really looking forward to it. So yeah, that is all from me today. I hope you guys have a good one. Thank you so much if you've made it to the end. I, again, just really appreciate you. And I will see you in my next video. Have a great day.